A GTA lawyer facing charges in connection with an alleged international drug kingpin is back in court for a bail hearing.
Deepak Paradkar is trying to convince a judge he should be released. CTV's Sean Leathong has the latest from the courts.
Her husband is accused of helping alleged drug kingpin Ryan Wedding, of advising him to kill a potential witness. Today, Mandy Paradkar, wife of Deepak Paradkar, was on the stand offering $2.5 million as surety if her husband is granted bail. 62-year-old Paradkar, a prominent defense lawyer in the GTA, was arrested last month as one of several Canadians accused of helping Wedding. Paradkar is specifically accused of advising Wedding to kill a potential witness, and soon after, that witness was killed. Paradkar has been in custody at the Toronto South Detention Centre since his arrest and is awaiting possible extradition to the United States. Yesterday, Paradkar took the stand himself at the bail hearing, pledging to remain on house arrest if released. Today, he sat in the prisoner's box while his wife was questioned about the couple's finances and assets. Court heard how Paradkar is accused of taking large cash drops and expensive watches as payment, also using other lawyers to help him. As Crown Attorney Milika Petrovic asked Mandy Paradkar how much she knew, saying, "You're aware that this organization is alleged to kill anyone who gets in their way?" "Yes," says Paradkar, adding, "It doesn't interfere with my responsibility to the court." The Crown going on to say, "It's fair that you had nothing to do with the allegations out of the United States?" "No, I did not," says Paradkar. "The first time you heard about this was after your husband's arrest?" "That's correct." "He's never told you that he received watches as gifts from his clients?" "No." Deepak Paradkar faced the floor during many of the more difficult questions, including when the Crown asked, "If it's true that your husband was providing legal advice to a criminal organization to have people murdered, if it's true that he was advising this criminal organization, if it's true that he was paying lawyers to assist him, if it's true that he took cash drops, if it's true that he received luxurious watches as gifts, if it's true, that would deeply affect your trust in your husband?" To which his wife said, "Yes, it would." The FBI announced the arrest on November 20th, alleging that Paradkar was key in Wedding's operation, which trafficked drugs from Colombia through Mexico into the United States and Canada. The FBI alleges some of Paradkar's aliases are Cocaine Lawyer and Deepaj Emergency, and says his involvement goes back as far as 2011. Paradkar's law license was suspended last week. Ryan Wedding remains at large and is believed to be protected by the Sinaloa cartel. Court heard final submissions by both the Crown and defense at the bail hearing this afternoon. Much of the time, the hearing was done in private to protect sensitive information. Sean Leathong, CTV News.